Welcome back to part 2 of our RFSoC Getting Started video series featuring iWave's Sync Ultra Scale Plus RFSoC Development Platform. In part 1, we walked you through the unboxing and hardware overview. In this video, we will show you how to perform RF DAC to ADC Loopback test using Xilinx RF Analyzer tool. Let's get started. Let us begin by connecting custom power cable to the ATX connector of RFSoC Development Platform. Now let's do the SMA cable loopback connection from DAC 12 to ADC 12. Then connect the USB Type-C debug cable from Type-C debug port of the board to the PC. Now let's power on the board by connecting 12V 5A power adapter to the custom power cable. The board is powered on now. Open Teraterm and select the first serial port and click OK. Now let's go to the setup option and select serial port. In speed, change the baud rate to 115200 and finally click on the new setting. After this, you will see the debug prints. Press any key to stop in the output. Open RF Analyzer and run as administrator. One command prompt window will appear on the screen, which will automatically get minimized. Here, click on Connect button. Under type or serial number, we can see that our ZU49DR RFSoC is detected. Now select the SoC and click on this button. Let us load the bitstream from the release package to program the FPGA. Click on Download bitstream. After a while, microblaze will be detected. Then select the microblaze and click on the Select Target. Here we can see 4 RF DAC and ADC tiles. Open the DAC tile of which we have done the loopback connections on the board. Based on the DAC sampling rate and output frequency. Open the ADC tile of which we have done the loopback connection on the board and select the particular channel. Select the calibration mode as AutoCal. ADC liquid zone should be selected based on the ADC sampling rate and input frequency. Then click on Apply. Select Windows and click on Multi-View and choose DAC FFT. A new window will appear. Then select the particular DAC channel and set the desired output frequency. In our video, we are setting 900. Click on Generate All button. A green light will be appeared on the top right corner of the selected channel. You can open the particular channel and see the FFT. Now let us select Windows, Multi-View and ADC FFT to select the particular channel. Change the windowing from rectangle to panning and select the dynamic performance. Let's click on Acquire All to see the ADC parameters. Open the particular channel to see the ADC FFT. Here we can see the waveform appeared in 900 MHz. Click on Loop and Acquire for continuous capture. We have also made a video on RFSoC multi-board synchronization, which will be linked in the suggestions. And that wraps up our getting started and RF loopback demo with iWave's ZU49DR Development Platform. You can refer to the detailed user guide provided in the below description. For any support or further inquiries, please reach out. Stay tuned for more demo videos.